Today's video is about the ICC, the InterCounty connector. It's a new highway that the first section is just opened up today, and it's located just north of the city of Rockville and south of Gaithersburg, Maryland. And it's going to connect Montgomery County, Maryland, where I live and work, and PG County, Maryland. So this is very important because the DC area has some of the worst traffic ever. I mean, you just go crazy trying to get to PG County, or else you have to take the back roads, and there's just too many stop signs or traffic lights or winding roads. But what I want to find out today is what it looks like, and would I be willing to pay 25 cents to 35 cents a mile to take this highway? Every day I'm going to take my camera and I'm going to drive the InterCounty connector, the first 7-mile stretch, and see what happens and see what I think of it. Just personally, would I take it for work if I had to go east, which I occasionally do for my job, or play if I want to go to Howard County to Centennial Lake, or PG County or Baltimore to the Inner Harbor? I mean, it would be nice to be able to just kind of bypass the DC area. I wouldn't have to go south and then north again. But would I be willing to pay that much money? I guess we'll find out. But I hope you enjoy the video. I haven't taken it yet. I'm going to go out and take it right now. I'm not sure how I'm going to do it, or even if it would turn out. But I'm going to do a little bit of experiment and see. Well, thanks for tuning in to DiscoverMC.com. Take care.
What's up, world? Let's get it poppin' with CC Mixer. It's your boy Jeff Williams. Word. What's up, young world? It's Jeff Williams.
And Jay Lamb.
You're listening to CC Mixer.
Where it's always in the
Composure on the inside, ulcer on the outside. Footsteps tap cool.
Lutter contre la fatalité, loser un jour, loser toujours. Oubliez la drague, oublie tes blagues, laisse tomber la frime et tes jeux de mime, retourne chez ta mère.
What's up, world? Let's get it poppin' with CC Mixer. It's your boy Jeff Williams. Word. What's up, young world? It's Jeff Williams.
And Jay Lamb.
You're listening to CC Mixer.
Good always in the
Composure on the inside, ulcer on the outside. Footsteps tap cool.
Contre la fatalité, loser un jour, loser toujours. Oubliez la dragounité, blague, laisse tomber la frime et tes jeux de mime, retourne, tu t'as merde.
What's up, world? Let's get it poppin' with CC Mixer. It's your boy Jeff Williams. Word. What's up, young world? It's Jeff Williams.
And Jay Lamb.
You're listening to CC Mixer.
Good always in the
Composure on the inside, ulcer on the outside. Footsteps tap cool.